How to add TikTok drafts together. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you add TikTok drafts together. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your TikTok app and log in with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok app, you will got such interface. So from here you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. So unfortunately, there is no any such options like you can merge two drafts together at once. So for that, you'll have to export the draft videos one by one. So for that, you'll have to open the video, and now from here, you'll have to choose the first one. Okay, so from here, you'll have to choose next. And now on this interface, you'll have to go the options. Everyone can view this post. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to set it to only you. Okay, so simply from here, you have to post it. Okay, the video has been posted. So similarly you will have to do on your next video also. So simply you have to do like this. All right, so after you save the drafts on your device, you'll have to upload that two videos in the TikTok app. So simply for that, you'll have to tap on this plus icon just at the bottom. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to upload from your gallery. So simply you have to choose it from gallery. And now from here, you'll have to choose that two videos. So simply I'm choosing them. Alright, after this you'll have to open the editor. So as you can see, I have successfully added two draft videos together on this frame. So likewise, you can also add TikTok drafts video together. And if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.